Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into Google Fonts, an incredible free library of over 1400 font families for designers, developers, and really anyone creating online content. Whether you're building a website, designing graphics, or just looking for the perfect font, Google Fonts has something for everyone. So let's go over some key features and tips to help you make the most of it. Now you might wonder, why use Google Fonts? Well, first off, it's completely free and open source, which makes it perfect for any project size or budget. Plus, Google Fonts is optimized to work on nearly every device and browser out there, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's also super easy to integrate, whether you're coding for the web or just downloading the fonts for personal use. Basically, it's accessible, versatile, and hassle-free. One of the best things about Google Fonts is the huge variety. With over 1400 fonts available, you are bound to find something that fits your project style. Google Fonts organizes these into categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and monospace, making it easy to narrow down the look you are going for. They also have filters for font weight, slant, language, and popularity. So if you want something bold and impactful, or maybe a more minimalist vibe, you have got tons of options to explore. Google Font lets you customize typography on the site before you even download or use it. You can preview fonts with your own text, adjust the size, and see the full range of font weights and styles available. This way you can see exactly how a font will look with your project's content. Many fonts come with different weights like light, regular, or bold, and even italic styles. So if you need a variety within a single font family for headings, body text, and captions, you can find that easily. And here is a feature that I think is really cool. Let's say you have customized a font with your own text, chosen specific sizes, and adjusted the weight on Google Fonts. If you copy the link at the top of your customized page and share it, anyone who opens it will see the exact same modification that you made. It's a fantastic way to share font ideas and styles with your team, but just to get feedback before making a final decision. So if you're working on a collaborative project or just want to show someone your progress, you can easily share a link to your customized view and they will see everything just as you left. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you a better understanding of what Google Fonts has to offer. It's such a powerful tool whether you are a designer, developer, or just someone who loves experimenting with typography. So go check out Google Fonts, explore the styles, and let your creativity run wild.